like so this is ChatGPT 3.5, and okay, so this is how you get to this to that interface, and that's ChatGPT. You use Google search and it takes you to, it gives you some search options. This is the ChatGPT, and once you click it, you're going to have to register, and it's going to bring you back to this interface. As you can see, this is my account. This is okay. Let me try logging in now to see if I can be able to show you a practical demonstration of what I'm talking about. But in case if it doesn't work, you can always go back and register and come back to this page, and this is where everything goes down. Now you can see some of the searches, some of the jobs I've done so far using this ChatGPT. You can see them. Okay, so now this is where the whole thing goes down. This is how to write prompts. So I'm going to be writing the basic prompt now. Write me an email to welcome new customers to my store, which sells shoes, luxury shoes. So this is it now. I'm finding it difficult to spell luxury now. See what happens. It gives me options straight up. Yeah, improve and continue. You see, that's luxury right there. Once I'm able to make this prompt, now the icing on the cake for artificial intelligence is knowing how to use prompts. Once you are able to write prompts rightly, because AI can be wrong, AI can give you wrong answers. It all depends on what you put into it, you understand? So you have to understand how to write prompts. Now I'm going to make another video for you, which is going to be mastering prompt writing in AI, and it's going to help you. So I would like you to stick around. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, I'm trying to move this channel up to 1K subscribers as soon as possible, and your subscription is going to be very, very needed. So please smash that subscription button. Now you can see our AI has already started the job. You can see, yeah, our email has a subject, it has a body, and I have network issues, so it's going to take a while for. So we're almost there. We also have an ending hook, which basically does it. Now I've said this over and over again, but I'm going to stress this again. You have to know how to write the right prompts. You have to know how to write the right prompts, because this is what you prompt into this AI that is going to basically give you out. Now this is basically the email in which we've asked it to write. Email is so good, like so good. This is we give this email an A1. So what do I do now? I just copy it and take it to my Word, because I want to have the right format. I don't want to be copying and sending directly. I need to format it. I need to make it. I need to personalize it. For some people, what they do is they can even rewrite it, because there's some kind of AI tracking. These days, people don't trust people any longer with the jobs. A lot of people just want everybody to do the jobs from the head. So some people, they can copy this and rewrite it, have an article spinner, and but it's just basically trying to help you solve the problem you have. Now we're going to try to write another prompt. Now write me. Now notice how I start my prompts. Write me. Do you understand? Now it's like a command. It's going to make the AI to go through its database and pull out the best options for me. Now write me a social media post to help me sell my shoes and help customers find my store. Bang, you can see the subject of the post. Elevate your style and elevate your step with Femi shoes, your premier destination for luxury wears. Explore, and you can see every emoji used here is classic. So now I can just copy this and take it to my social media and post it. Now, apart from this, we can also use this in design. Yes, in graphic design, UX, UI design, whatever it is. You just give the AI the right prompt. Give me design ideas. Write me design ideas uh, for 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 a banner to sell shoes or to sell luxury shoes, and then boom, it comes up. Now we're going to try something else. Create a sales funnel for this. Now let's see what this can do. Now this is awesome. In less than few minutes, our AI has been able to not just write a welcome email, has been able to also get us a unique post. And also right now we're in the process of creating a sales funnel for what we're doing, or the experiment we're trying to carry out. But through demonstrating in this lesson how to use AI in 2024, sorry, how to use ChatGPT in 2024, it's really amazing. It's really amazing. And the most amazing thing here is that the AI has broke down the steps for us. It has broke down. This is more like a practical breakdown of everything it is you need to know. I'm having my network is lagging a little bit now, so we're going to get every single information we're going to need. Every single information we're going to need. With that, I'm just going to say thank you for coming around. I would really like you to smash that smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be dropping more top-notch content, and I'm also going to be sharing more ideas as the day goes by, and I'd like you to be part of it. So turn on your notification button, and I want you to like this post. It helps others to be able to find and this post and increases the outreach. So please subscribe to this channel, and I hope you've been able to gain value from this crash course. And so till I see you next time, stay blessed.